Hi, in this video, we are going to learn about vowel O, short and long sound O. Long sound O. When we have O and E in the same word, we have the sound O, home. When we have O and A together, we have the sound O, boat. Also, when we have O and W, we have the long sound O, snow. Short O, O. When we only have vowel O, blocks. Hot, box. Here we have short sound O, O, pot. Here we have O and E, O sound, bone. Long sound O. Here we have short sound O, coat. O and A, we have the long sound O, road. We have here the short sound O, log. Here we have the short sound O, dog. O and W. Long sound O, slow. Thanks for watching.